Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Creative Math Academy. Today we will discuss about special quadrilaterals. There are six special quadrilaterals. They are a parallelogram. Number one, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral which has opposite sides parallel. You see, parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. So properties are opposite sides are equal in length. Both of these are equal in length. Opposite angles are equal in size. Opposite angle, these two angles are equal in size, and diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. So if we sketch this like this is if opposite sides are equal and parallel, both of these, so these two are also equal and parallel, and opposite angles, these angles and that angles are equal, and very important, diagonals bisect. Let me see, diagonals bisect each other. So this is one diagonal, that one is another diagonal, they bisect each other, equally divide both of these diagonal, equally divide both of them, right? So first properties, this is a properties of a parallelogram. Number two, a rectangle is a parallelogram with four equal angles of 90 degree. All these angles are each 90 degree. So properties are opposite sides are parallel and equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals are equal in length. This is a very important. Diagonals are equal in length. So this is a quadrilateral. So this is also the same. So both of these are parallel and equal. Each of this angle is right angle, 90 degree. And very important thing is diagonals are equal in length. Diagonals bisect each other and diagonals are equal in length. Like this diagonal, and that diagonal, both are bisect each other and they are equal in length. If it is like 10 centimeter, it's also 10 centimeter. And they bisect each other. They bisect each other. But here in parallelogram, the diagonal bisect each other, but diagonals are not equal in length. Now, rhombus is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. So properties, opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal in sides. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. This is a very important. Bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals bisect the angles at each vertex. So here four properties. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal in size. Diagonal bisect each other at right angles. Diagonal bisect the angles at each vertex. Let me see. So this is a all sides are equal. If all sides are equal and parallel. So first properties, parallel. So second one, opposite angles are equal in side. Opposite angles. This angle is equal to that angle, and this angle is equals to that angle. Second properties. The third one, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So this is one diagonal. That one is another diagonal. They bisect each other at right angles. So here is a right angle, here is a right angle. Now, diagonals bisect the angles at each vertex. So this diagonal, this diagonal bisect this angle. Both of these angles are equal. both of this angle are equal. That means diagonal bisect the whole angle. So rhombus completed. Now square. A square is a rhombus with 4 equal angles of 90 degrees. So here all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. That means 90 degree. Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals. Okay, if we sketch this is a square, like square. All the sides are equal and these are parallel. This equal. And all the angles are right angle. And diagonals bisect each other right angles. This is also like the rhombus. Diagonal bisect each other by right angle. This is one diagonal. That one is another diagonal. They bisect each other in right angles. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals bisect the angles at each vertex. Diagonals bisect the angles, vertex angles. This is also bisected. This is, and the last one, diagonals are equal in length. Very interesting. This diagonal and that diagonal are equal in length. This is square. This is rhombus. And that one is rectangle. And that one is parallelogram. Now, trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral which has a pair of parallel opposite sides. Pair of parallel opposite sides. So this is a trapezium. This and that are parallel. Pair of opposite parallel sides. This is trapezium. Now the kite. A kite is a quadrilateral which has two pairs of adjacent sides equal, which has two pairs of adjacent sides equal in length. Let me draw. This is a 1, 2. 1, 2. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. And after that, those two pairs of adjacent sides are equal in length. One diagonal is an axis of symmetry. Like this diagonal is a axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means both of these sides are divided by this line. Opposite of this line, this part and that parts are equal. So one diagonal is an axis of symmetry. One pair of opposite angles are equal. So both of these angles are equal. Diagonals cut each other at right angles. So this is one diagonal. If we draw another diagonal, so diagonal cut each other at right angles. One diagonal bisect one pair of angles at the vertices. So this diagonal bisect this angle. Bisect this angle. So these all are the properties of quadrilateral. So we have to remember these properties. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.